Hey, what is up, intelligent people? I'm Mr. Sicko, and today we are going to be talking about a Finviz screener. Okay, so how to use Finviz.com for swing trading. So if you're interested in that, let's get straight into it. And this video will not be that long at all. I will be explaining everything throughout the video. So let's get straight to it again. So what you're gonna do is go finviz.com/screener or ASHX, or just go on Finviz, then click on screener. Then you go ahead and click on all. This video will be so short, bro. I really want to get the information out there. So the price that we're gonna be looking at will be the prices of the stocks are gonna be below 30 bucks, not 20 but 30. You can go with the ever like the heck you want, but what I personally go is under 30 in this kind of case of filter. But yeah, there is a lot of options, so you can go ahead and kind of play it for yourself. I'm just giving you what I use, and you feel me. So the average volume will be over 500k, and what like the price basically just like shows you what the price is of the stock. I mean that you absolutely know that. For the beginners who don't know like what average volume is, it's basically a number of shares in a stock traded per day, or basically a number of shares traded back and forth that day. Like if, for example, right here we have $500,000, 500,000 shares traded back and forth in a day, which is a pretty big number. But we want liquid stocks, and also we want volatile stocks. So this kind of gives you a like rough understanding of the volatility, the relative volume, or the R vol. It's basically an indicator. A lot of people are kind of how do I say it? It's an indicator or a ratio, as it says here, that it's between the current volume and a 3-month average intraday adjusted. So we're going to be looking for 1 point over 1.5 in this case. And the last thing that we're going to be looking will be the patterns. Okay, the patterns is the pattern that we're going to be looking is will be the trend line support, which will be a strong trend line support. So just like that, TL support strong. You only have 4 stocks right here, so let's just go on the charts and try to find the best stocks out there. So go ahead, find it for yourself. You can absolutely lower the relative volume down, but it is always up to you. So this is about it for today's update. Peace out. Have a great day for the rest of your day, and bye, guys. And I will let you like 5 seconds to screenshot this. So bye and have a great day.